Hello, everybody. We are ready for another fabulous week of social studies. So let's get right to it and see what we're going to be doing this week. We are in week 17. I have already opened the modules. You are watching this now, so you are already here on the weekly introduction. You will answer the question that is listed there in the text box below when you're in the assignment. Make sure you answer the question that I'm asking. It is written in red. That is different from the extra credit question that I'm going to pose later. All right, and then we have our learning guide. Let's take a quick look at what that looks like for week 17. I think you're going to find this kind of an easy week this week. For Monday, you've got this introductory video, and we have our class meeting at 2 o'clock. That's all you have for Monday. For Tuesday, you're going to do lesson 22, section 6. You're going to read it, and then you're going to complete the quizzes. And remember, you're going to retake that quizzes till you get at least that mastery score of 80%. On Wednesday, you are going to do an explore, just like we did last week. This one is from lesson 39. It is called Global Interdependence. We'll look at that Frayer slide together in just a minute so you can see what it looks like. On Thursday, you are going to read the article, What's So Great About Gold Anyway, in Achieve 3000. Answer the questions. We'll take a closer look at that as well. And on Friday, you are going to do the CNN 10. This week, it is going to be a sketch and tell, and we'll look at that again. Since we don't have a lot to do Monday and Friday, I also have for those 2 days to catch up on any missed work. With that in mind, let me tell you what your extra credit question is this week. You are going to email me before this Saturday. In our meeting last week on Monday, I showed everybody and made sure you knew how to go to Clever, to Open Power School, and to look at all of your grades. Send me an email with your social studies letter grade and percentage as it is right now, and give me a sentence or two telling me if you're happy with your grade, what you are going to do to keep it where it is going forward until December 20th when this semester is over. If you're not happy with your grade, what are you going to do to change it? And what can I do to help you improve your grade? So, again, get me that email before this Saturday. All right, let's go back to the modules and take a closer look at these assignments we are going to do this week. Okay, you're already on here. We looked at the learning guide. So you are going to read section 22, lesson 22, section 6. And to get there, you can click on Teach TCI right here. That's the easiest way to get there. Or you can go back, you can open Clever, you can open TCI. Make sure you get to lesson 22, section 6, read the entire thing, then do the quizzes activity. You should not be going directly to the quizzes activity and just guessing. This should be from your reading. So let's take a look at what that looks like. Sorry, I had that pop-up keeps coming up. They're working on trying to figure out why it's coming up. So it is really annoying to me. Okay, so once you are in reading over here, you are going to look for lesson 22 over here. And let me double check section 6. So we worked on this lesson last week. We did not do section 6, however. So you are going to read all about the impact of exploration on Europe. So read all of this. You can try the check for understanding if you want. You are not doing these questions. After you've read this, you will go back, click on the link, and you will do the quizzes. That is the work you are doing following the reading. All right, let's go back to the module. After that, you will be doing lesson 39, Global Interdependence. This is an explore global interdependence. Again, the easiest way to get there is from right here. You will do the reading. So let's take a look at that. Sorry, that was the bell again. Okay, I'm going to go over here to reading. I can close that one. Now I'm looking for lesson 39. And I am looking for the Explore Global Interdependence. And when you read this, you'll see you have an introduction, then you have balance of trade, gross national product, outsourcing, free trade, and global interdependence. And then you have a map. Again, you are not doing this. Instead, you will click on the link and you will open up this Frayer. And the Frayer has 4 parts. These will look familiar. These were the headings that we just went over. So as you're reading, when you were at the top here, you read the introduction, you read balance of trade, you are going to find 3 to 4 facts. You are not going to copy and paste them. You are going to read and you are going to take a fact and you are going to write it in your own words here. These are not complete sentences. These are just the facts, okay? 3 to 4 from each heading. All right. Let's get back to the module. And you will go to Achieve 3000. You will complete the reading, What's So Great About Gold Anyway? You are going to write your score in the text box that will appear below for you and submit the assignment. Here is what that looks like. Whoops. Oh, it logged me out. So we will go all the way like you will go. You're going to open up your Clever. Now remember, for you, Clever is this house right here. Just click on that house, and that's how you get to Clever. That's not it for me. Otherwise, I would do that. Okay, I'm going to go to Achieve 3000. Yours is going to show up in your assignments. I am going to search for it. Oops. You don't have to do this. Yours is going to be in your assignments. Let's see if that's enough to get me there. Yep, here we go. All right, some vocabulary words. You can listen to how it sounds, what part of speech it is, look at the definition. Okay, you're going to read, and then when you are done reading, you will have your respond questions to do. Okay, you have 8 questions that you need to finish. Okay, and submit that. Remember, when you get your grade, you need to put that back into the text box. All right, let's go back to the module. The last thing you have to do then is your CNN 10 and the sketch and tell. So you are going to watch the whole CNN 10. You are going to pick one story and you're going to complete the sketch and tell. So when you open it up, here's what that's going to look like. Here's where you have a drawing that should represent something from the one story you pick. And then here you need to write at least 3 complete sentences that tell me a summary of the one story you read. Who is in it? What happened? When did it happen? Where did it happen? Right here. 3, 4, 5 sentences that give me a summary of the story. All right, that is what you need to do for the week. I will see you Monday and Thursday at our class meetings. If you have any questions, you know you can reach me by email. Don't forget to answer that question below in the text box and submit it. And don't forget to email me and give me the information from the extra credit question. See y'all later.